Welcome. In this class, we are going to do some practice questions based on logarithm. First question, solve log x to the base 4 plus log x minus 6 to the base 4 equal to 2. Solution. Given log x to the base 4 plus log x minus 6 to the base 4 equal to 2. Okay. We know that log m plus log n equal to log mn. Using this formula, we can write this as log x into x minus 6 to the base 4 equal to 2. Okay. That is, this can be written as x into x minus 6. X into x minus 6 equal to what? 4 square. Isn't it? Then x into x, it is x square minus 6x equal to 16, or it's equal to x square minus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. Therefore, we can write this as x minus 8 into x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Since it's a quadratic equation, we have to find the values of x. Since solve log x plus log x minus 6 equal to 2. So we have to find the values of x. By factorizing this, we get x equal to 8 and x equal to minus 2. Okay. Or we can use this formula, what? X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. Using this formula, we get x equal to 8 and x equal to minus 2. Okay. Another one, evaluate log 40 to the base 4 plus log 2 to the base 4 minus log 20 to the base 4. We have to find the value of these three terms. Okay. Solution. Given log 40 to the base 4 plus log 2 to the base 4 minus log 20 to the base 4. Using this identity, we can write this these two terms as log 40 into 2 to the base 4. Okay. Minus log 20 to the base 4. Okay. Also, we can write this as log 80 to the base 4 minus log 20 to the base 4. Also, we know that log m minus log n is equal to log m by n. Okay, to the base a. Using this formula, we can convert this into like this. Log m minus log n means log m by n. Log 80 by 20 to the base 4 is equal to 80 by 20 is what? 80 by 20 is 4. That is log 4 to the base 4. That is equal to 1. So the value is 1. Okay. We know that any number to the same base is 1. Log of any number to the same base is 1. Okay. Another one, show that 2 log 8 minus 3 log 2 plus 1 by 3 log 64 equal to 5 log 2. So the solution, first take the LHS. Here the LHS is 2 log 8 minus 3 log 2 plus 1 by 3 log 64. Okay, is equal to, we know that 2 cube equal to 8. Okay, and 2 raised to 6 equal to 64. Okay, replacing these numbers instead of 8 and 64, we get 2 log 2 cube minus 3 log 2 plus 1 by 3 log 2 raised to 6. Okay, that is equal to, we know the identity, log m raised to n equal to n log m. Okay, by using this identity, these two terms can be written as what? 2 into 3 log 2. Okay, 2 into 3 log 2 minus 3 log 2 plus 6 into 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3 into 6 into log 2. That's equal to 2 into 3, it's 6 log 2 minus 3 log 2. 3 by 3, 1 by 3 into 6 is 2. Okay, 2 log 2. It's equal to 6 plus 2, 8. 8 log 2 minus 3 log 2. 8 minus 3, 5. That is equal to 5 log 2, which is the RHS. Okay, hence we proved. Next one, find the value of x when x equal to 2 log 10 minus log 4 plus log 200 minus log 1 by 2. Okay, solution. Given x equal to this condition. Okay, that is x equal to 2 log 10 minus log 4 plus log 200 minus log 1 by 2. Okay, this can be written as log 2 log 10 is log 10 square using this identity. Okay, minus log 4 plus log 200 minus log 1 by 2. Okay, that is 10 square is 100. Log 100 minus log 4 plus log 200 minus log 1 by 2. Okay, using the identity, we can club these two terms and these two terms. Okay, that is log 100 plus log 200 minus log 4 plus log 1 by 2. Okay, also we know that log m plus log n is log mn. What? Log m into n equal, log m into m equal to log m plus log n. Okay, so this is equal to log 100 into 200. Okay, minus log 4 into 1 by 2. Also we know that log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Okay, log m minus log n. Using this identity, we can rewrite this as log 100 into 200 divided by 4 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 4 into 1 by 2 is 2. 2 and 2, this 2 get cancels and the remaining is log of 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, that's equal to log 10 raised to 4. That is log 10 raised to 4 is equal to 4 log 10. 4 log 10. Okay, it's equal to 4 log 10, and we know that log 10 it is equal to 1, and the value of x equal to, and the value of x is equal to 4. Okay, see, log 10 to the base 10 is 1, so this is 4 log 10 to the base 10, it is 1, so the answer is 4. Okay.